Greetings from Afantou Beach on the east coast of Rhodos. Now, this town seems to me like a spook town, ghost town, or ghost village, as I would say, as there is basically nobody on the beach. There are very few sunbeds on the beach, and they were also pretty much empty. And it's quite huge beach that has also a road that leads to nowhere. But yeah, I'm just walking along the coast, starting from Tsambika Beach, going to Kolymbia, and now at Afantou, on the way to Anthony Quinn Beach, and then to Mandomata, also nudist beach. You can see how this looks like. Very much end of the world vibes. Uh, there is basically nobody, very few people that I have met, and it's a large mass of beach and coast here as well. It is 3:15 p.m. and I have been walking so far 23,000 steps, and I'm gonna have maybe double that as soon as I end the day. So I'm heading in that direction. There is one more beach before I need to go on the road. Raguni, I think it's called, and there is a cave, so I'm gonna explore that as well. So beautiful sunny day, 9th of May 2025. It is 23 degrees Celsius in the air, but it feels like 33 to be fair. It's so suffocating somehow, not sure how to explain. And yes, I'm exploring along the coast. Earlier I also found one even more secluded beach than this one in that direction between Kolymbia and Afantou, so check out that episode as well. But now all eyes are on that hill, and actually two hills over there. Behind that big hill there is like a beach that I'm planning to visit. So let's make this a quick dip, as I need to continue walking along the coast of Rhodos on this beautiful day, 9th of May. So yeah, what else? This is how the beach looks like. If you want privacy, you should come to Afantou Beach. That is my recommendation for sure. And I can't believe I was behind that mountain or hill earlier today at Tsambika Beach, and now I'm here at Afantou Beach. So let's then go in for a swim in the sea and check out how it is here in Afantou Beach. Right. The water doesn't seem extra clean, to be fair, but still it is worth the dip. And to show you my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris. And yes, day 6 of my vacation, so 2 more days. Actually now 47 hours until my flight, so yeah, that's right, time is ticking. And here I thought it's gonna be some sand inside, but it isn't. It is a very strange surface that I cannot explain. I guess there was some kind of something happened to this city, it seems like. As one of the main road was a bit demolished, and something happened here. Not sure if it was earthquake or fire or some overflow of the water, but yeah, it feels like something happened, and I can try to find what. Here we have some kind of big lake, so I guess there might have been some flooding in this area, and they just put a big rock here, I don't know what. But anyway, it's time to take a swim, so let's go. Woo! Actually deep, but it's nice. It's nice. There are better beaches than this for sure, but if you are walking along the coast and you feel hot, you can jump in here at Afantou Beach. but there are better beaches on the island for sure, and that's where I'm heading now. So thank you so much for watching this episode from Afantou Beach, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.